days of struggle, around 50 monkeys, stranded in the flooded Tungabhadra river in Karnataka, were rescued. When the initial plan of using rescue boats and ropes did not work, a 25-member team from the forest and fire departments put a rope ladder across the river to help the monkeys reach the riverbank. The monkeys were hesitant at first, scared by the swaying ladder and the gushing water. But slowly, all of them crossed the river using the rope ladder. One by one, they reached the bank. The rescue mission also involved providing food to the hungry monkeys.